Let me check the goods first. Brian and Stewie planned to pick up Stewie. Brian offered to fetch Stewie from Rhode Island. Stewie was disappointed Brian came alone. Brian got drunk instead of doing errands. Stewie found Brian drunk at the bar. They missed their flight to Providence. Their bags were gone, tickets inside. They stayed in a motel. Brian was passed out. They became penniless and started stealing a car. Brian called home from a gas station. They hitched a ride but got kicked out. They tried flying a plane but crashed. Brian wanted to see his mom who lived 13 km away. They walked there in the heat. Brian learned his mom, Cookie, died last year. Cookie was stuffed and put on display. Brian was devastated and decided to bury her. She doesn't need to wag for anyone.